on a new site. We got the Kubota and Komatsu. Komatsu's a little big for this site. We were here 2 years ago. You guys watch us do the sauna tubes in the back of this building. If not, check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Been here about 10 years. We do a phase each year. Last year wasn't here because of the pandemic. We got 2 patios there to rip out, these patios, and they're all Alaskan slabs, so there's 7 total. New sidewalks all going in, and the whole grade drops about 1 foot. We got to cut all this dirt out and a little bit around the back there. Just check it out on the print real quick. Trying to get as much footage for you guys. I'm going to do this in a couple videos, and there'll be few and far between. The yellow is the new blacktop that's going to be in. We get these are the slabs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. New set of precast stairs going in. These are going to get ripped out. I have a precast company coming in to put those in. These are all AC units. Usually we raise them and hang them. This year I had them cut loose because we are early in the season and we're able to do that. So simple, pretty easy, basic, just takes a little time. All right, here's my dump trailer. Gonna load out the concrete. Start with the excavator. Got the hammer and stuff. We're gonna just load this stuff out first, like so. We're gonna try to break it rather than make a ton of noise right now with the hammer is. Oh, this does have a little bit of wire in it. So we're gonna load it out nice and gently so it slides out. Get them on back. And we'll go, oh, we're rocking. I'm on a little hill. I'm going to have to readjust in a little bit. But we're just going to go nice and easy for them. Let that land on the other. It's thick. Woo. She's thick. Most of the stuff don't have wire here, so we'll get her broke up like so. Scoop for now. Got more wire than I would like, so I'm just gonna have to break it up with its own weight, like I've been. Just keep dropping it on itself, like so, and break it up. Hammer don't really work too well when there's that much wire in it. See how that wire's hanging it up? And the wire's in the bottom of the slab. So if everybody says, pick the wire up, pick the wire up, it's not doing no good. Well, there you go. You can see the wire in the bottom of the slab and it's still holding it together. But this is why you need the big machine here, the 88. Little Kubota wouldn't do this, wouldn't pick it up. So, done this before. Breaky, breaky. Fight fire with fire. Alright, on to the next patio. This is where we got electric and everything else under it. Try to get these slabs over, but I know this is thick. Oh boy. Real thick. Just load in the second load out. Get as much broke up as I can while he's gone. Bam. Come on, break up now. Woo! Flipping me over, flipping me over. Hang on. Yeah, boy. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Violent. Violent. Number 3 on its way out. Finally getting somewhere with this. The hammer's not doing it. Pretty disappointed in the hammer. This is the most difficult piece on the property. Got the electrical I'm rubbing on the right hand side. Trying to get it out. Come on. Got the window and glass over there. Come on, pull. Nice. Oh yeah, that's nice about a gooseneck. You get him a 90 degree and get him right back here. I keep twisting it out from the building. I got it now. I got it out from that transformer right here below me. And it's so thick. It's 2 foot thick on the back side. So as long as that's there, now I got to start working on it. Finally, after a long beating and banging, got a chunk to snap. Dropped a couple pieces on it, but I actually took the hoe and just smacked it and just sheared it, which isn't good for the pins. But once you could use its own weight, it breaks like nothing. That's what's crazy. We're getting somewhere now. Come on, spin around. Come on. Boy, see it. A thick piece. Come on. Nice. Boy, that's a stress relief right there when that broke like that. Hammer wouldn't do it. But concrete will. All right. Man, what abuse that is on equipment. Concrete, huh? Bang, 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 bang. Slam, slam. But that's what they're for. It's what I've done it for years. I had a PC75 that worked in here for 8 years and beat the heck out of it. But it got it done. It's coming along. We got all these wires to deal with, and they're live, so you got to keep flipping them back and forth. Some more slabs in here. I'm going to try to get those with the forks because they're up against the building. This was the major one right here. So we're going to replace the electric in here, which is in here. Going to run, have grid shut this down. We're going to put new conduit and new primary going in. Hopefully that'll be next week. And then, like I said, I'll start cutting grade and getting everything out. This stuff though over here was super thick. I mean, I couldn't even hardly look at how thick that is. That was some solid concrete, but its own weight is what hurts these slabs, you know, unproportioned. It was huge thickness here, but it acted like a wall. That's why for the grade change. But the new design takes care of all that. We actually get a poured wall in here and then a slab against it. What a mess. Got the weather on our side right now though. All right, let's see what we got. All the concrete is out. Gonna scrape up some blacktop sidewalks. I got a little pile here. Construction area, gotta have the signs. Got signage everywhere. Got these walkways here I'm gonna leave intact for now. Just gonna get the rest of this, consolidate this, get it in a pile, get one last load. That would be 9 loads of rubble out of here today. Just pile it up here. Load it out in a minute. All right, let's load out the just back up a little bit. Load out blacktop. And dirt. Okie dokie. End of the day, all cleaned up. All the concrete out, a lot of the asphalt out. Everything's caution taped off. Looking good. All right, guys, I'm gonna call this a wrap. Like I said, I'm gonna try to touch base here and there with this project. Just can't film a lot, just privacy reasons and other issues. So this was a demo on some concrete. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you on the next one.